In this quick tutorial, we will show you how you can use this customizable InVideo template to recreate this Instagram Reels trend, which has over 200,000 highly engaging posts, so that you can increase reach and engagement for your business. Now, this is a great trend for showcasing your product diversity and variety, the different services you offer as a business, and even to share tips and advice your audience will find helpful. For this tutorial, I'm going to recreate this for a skincare brand. Let's go ahead and show you how that's done. Now, to create this trend, you will need 2 short video clips that ideally show your product being used, something like this. And you will need 6 still images of the products that you want to showcase. So basically images that showcase what your product looks like or what your packaging looks like. Since we are recreating these for our summer hydration range, these are the kind of pictures that I want to go with. You will also need a PNG file of your logo, which is basically your logo without any background or on a transparent background. Now, once your assets are selected, it's time to go ahead and create the reel. Now, this is selected by default in the portrait mode, which is this long 9:16 format, which works on Instagram Reels. So this is the format for Reels, and we're going to go ahead with this. So click on use this template, and that will take us to the editor. Now, you'll see that all of the scenes that are there in the template are placed on the timeline already, and they're synced to the beat of the music. So for instance, this is what it looks like. To recreate this for my own brand, I will need to start by uploading the media clips that we had previously selected. So I'm going to go ahead in the uploads button in the left menu panel, and I'm going to go to folders, and I'm going to create a new folder so that I can just organize all of my media clips for this particular project right here. And now I'm just going to upload all of the media clips and the images that I want here. Now, once all of my media is in place, we are going to go ahead and change the first scene to fit our brand. And to do that, all I need to do is select the scene on the timeline and then select the video clip that I want to replace on the canvas. You see that it's selected. And I will simply drag and drop the video clip that I want to replace onto the canvas, which is this one. I really like this one. So we click replace on the pop-up window that appears. And here we want to trim video to fit scene. You can see this dotted line here, and that basically ensures that it doesn't go beyond the scene and disrupt the flow of the video. So click on this. So now we go ahead and change the text on the screen. So for that, all I need to do is select the text box on the canvas and double click on it, and that will open up the editor in the left menu panel. We want the first text to be the same, but this is going to be replaced with the summer skincare. And I think I'll need to increase the size a little bit so that it fits, just dragging the box, and that about does it. And I want it to be center aligned. So I'm just moving the text boxes around a little. Yeah, and that's our first scene done. For the next 4 or 5 scenes, we follow a similar process and just replace the images with our own. To do that, I'll select the scene, I'll select the image, and then I will just drag and drop the image that I want to change on here and click on replace in the pop-up window that appears. And that's done. Similarly for this, select this, replace, and done. Now this text remains the same throughout, so we are just going to go ahead and change the website in this one to fit our brands. Now the final step is adding the logo. Your brand logo is super important because it's your brand's identity and that's what people identify you with. So we are simply going to select the logo right here on the canvas, and I will open up the logo panel in the left. All you need to do is go to upload logo and upload the image that you want to use as your logo. Preferably this should be a PNG, that is something with a transparent background. Once it's uploaded, you just click on it and it automatically gets replaced throughout the video. That's our reel absolutely ready to go. Let's play it back using the play button to see if everything looks good. Yep, everything looks great. So now I'm just gonna go use the export button on the top right corner and select the resolution, which is 180p. Ideally, you want to export your videos in 180p because you want them to be high quality when people are viewing them on Instagram. And then click on export. Once your video is rendered, it is ready to download. You can download it from here and save it on your desktop. And you can then use this to upload on Instagram directly. You can recreate this trend for different types of brands as well. For instance, if you are a pet grooming service, this is what your video will look like. On the other hand, if you're a restaurant, this is what you can create. When you're ready to upload, make sure you use the link in the description to go to the trending music track on Instagram and use that while uploading the reel. Simply select use audio and then upload your edited reel. Instagram automatically mutes your original audio, and since it's already synced to the music you've chosen, you don't need to make any additional adjustments. Simply write your caption, add your hashtags and hit publish.